Every new AI release promises a better way to write, code, research, make images, or run meetings. Before long, teams are bouncing between tools, paying for separate subscriptions, and losing the thread across scattered conversations. That's where AI For You Workbench changes the experience by bringing leading models together in one browser-based workspace. So instead of jumping between apps, users pick the best model for the job while their files and conversation history stay together in one place. Inside that same workspace, you can access OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, Nova, Llama, Mistral, Grok, DeepSeek, Kimi, and even models your company hosts privately. That means one prompt can go to several models at once, so you can get a second opinion or compare answers side by side before you decide. And when a new model shows up, the experience stays familiar, so users don't have to relearn a new tool every time the market moves. It's built for real organizational use across business, government, healthcare, education, and professional services, not just for individual experimentation. And because enterprise use needs control, every conversation is governed, every user is managed, every token is tracked, and every action is fully auditable. Creative writing, deep reasoning, code generation, and image understanding don't all want the same model. Each task points to a different best fit. Workbench takes in the formats teams already use every day, including documents, spreadsheets, presentations, images, audio, and video, from PDFs and Word files to Excel sheets, MP3s, WAVs, MP4s, and recorded meetings. Once those files are in, the platform can analyze them, summarize them, translate them, compare versions, extract the details you need, and even generate new output from what you uploaded. And because you can talk to it naturally with voice conversations, speech to text, and text to speech, the whole experience feels less like juggling tools and more like working with one responsive assistant. The response doesn't stop at text. It can come back as an image, a chart, a video, audio, a document, a spreadsheet, a code file, or a finished presentation. And once it's there, you can preview it, play it, download it, share it, or reuse it right from the chat. So the work keeps moving without another handoff. Users can search past chats, rename them clearly, bookmark the important ones, pin active work, export what they need, and jump right back into previous conversations without starting over. That also means a good chat doesn't stay trapped with one person. Shared links, polished exports, and team collaboration turn individual exchanges into knowledge other people can actually reuse. So instead of losing context at the end of every session, the workspace keeps the organizational memory around the work, the decisions, and the conversation that got you there. Admins stay in control at every level. They can manage users, assign roles, decide which models each team can access, and set quotas or spending limits by person, department, project, or even by model. That control is backed by enterprise security with RBAC, SSO, and MFA, plus audit logs, encryption in transit and at rest, protected API keys, secure file storage, and managed sessions from sign-in to sign-out. If you're ready to move past AI sprawl, start with one workspace that brings your models, your media, your team, and your controls together. One workspace, real control. That's how you make AI easier to adopt, easier to govern, and easier to scale across the organization. AI For You is a registered trademark of Business Compass LLC.